Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about an interview question. Okay. Uh, Actually, the input is like this. Okay. In this column, we have the data in first row. Okay. And first in first column, first row is having the data, and in second column, second row is having the data, and third column, third row is having the data. Okay. All, otherwise, all are nulls. Now, how to handle these nulls? Okay. And I want output like this. Okay. I will remove these nulls and I want this data. Okay. This output I want. How to handle these nulls? Okay. In SQL, I will show you in SQL Server and also in Informatica. Okay. First of all, I will explain in SQL Server. Okay. We will handle these nulls using coalesce function. Okay. Now, I will show you. First of all, I will create this table. Okay. I will create this table, and how, based on this table, how we will get this output, I will show you. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Create table. I will give the name sample 100. Okay. Open and close braces. In this, I will take ID. ID is number. Okay. I didn't give any size. Okay. Now, first one is name. Name is varchar 2. Varchar 2 of, I will give 100. And location and state. I will see varchar 2 of 100. Now, state. Okay. Varchar 2 of 100. Okay, 50. Whatever the size you want, I will specify here. Okay. Now, I will create this table. Okay. Sample 100 is created. Now, I will enter the data. Okay. Disconnect this schema and connect it. In this, you will search in tables. You will expand this tables folder, and our table name is sample 100, right? Okay. Click on this, and if you click on particular table, it will open like this. Okay. In this, I didn't write any insert statement to enter the values. I will directly enter here. Okay. In this data. Okay. Now click on this plus symbol. Okay. ID is 1. Name is okay. These two are nulls, right? Okay. Next. 2. This is null, right? And in this location column, second row is having the data like code sheet. This is also null. In third column, okay, ID is 3. This is also null and this is also null. In this state column, we are having the data like Kerala. Okay, now commit this one. The table was committed. Now let's see. Select start from sample 100. Okay. Yeah. What are the table? Is there like created? Okay. Now, based on this table, okay, how to handle these nulls? Okay. Now, before that, we have for handling the nulls, we are having NVL function, NVL2, null if. These all are functions, right? Okay, to handle the nulls. And we have another function is coalesce function. Okay, using these coalesce, we can handle these nulls. Okay, now let's see how to handle this. Write a query to handle these nulls. Okay, and using the coalesce function, we will get the output like this. Okay, now select. Okay, I will take these 4 columns. Okay, ID, comma, name, comma, location, comma, state. After that, I will use coalesce function. Okay, coalesce. Okay, coalesce of. We have to give these 3 column names. Okay, name, comma, location, comma, state. Okay, now let's see from table name. What is the what is our table name? Sample 100. Okay, this coalesce function is used whenever we are having the nulls. We will use coalesce function. This will act like NVL function also. Okay. This will what this coalesce function will do is in this column we have nulls. This coalesce function will take only whatever the data the particular column having, that data will be this coalesce function will fetch. Okay, it does not return any nulls. Okay, now let's see. Okay, before that I will show you. Select. I will give some data. Coalesce of. I will give here some null. And I will give some value. Okay, I will give null. What it will return, see here. Some viewer. Okay. What it will return? The value, right? Okay. If I will give here any text data like sample, what it will return? Only numeric value it will return. Okay. Actually, uh, this coalesce function will replace with the replace the data into the nulls. Okay, and it will return the value only. Okay, it will does not return any value. This is numeric, right? So I will give another numeric value. It will give the first numeric value only. Okay, let's see. Look here the difference. Okay, it will take only first numeric value. Okay, after that you whatever you will give, how much the bigger value, if you give any bigger value also, it will don't take. It will give only first numeric value. Okay, now and I will give character data select police of. Okay, I will give the number here after nulls and null. Okay, now let's see what happens. It will give only 1, 2, 3. Okay, wherever you place this data, that will fetch only. Okay, in first location or second, third, whatever you the place where you put the numeric data, that will fetch only first numeric value. Okay, now I will show select only so I will give some character data. And I will give numbers. What will happen? Let's see what will happen. Okay. Don't give two different data types in coalesce. Okay. Give same data type here. Okay. Now, if I give another value here, what it will return? GIF only. Okay. Yeah. Now the coalesce will work like this. Okay. It will return first value only. Okay. It will does not return. Okay. If we will give all nulls, it will return nulls. Okay. Because there is no data. Okay. There is no scope for any data. Okay. So that's why it will return the null. Okay. If we give all the nulls here, it will return the null value. Okay. The coalesce function is works like this. Okay. Now let's see in our interview question. Okay. What will the output? Yeah, it will take first the first value. Okay, from this column. the second value, okay, and third value. Okay, it will avoid the nulls and take the value only. Okay, these all are characters, right? So it will return the character. Okay, this is our output. Okay. Okay, I don't need all these. Okay, let's see what happens. Now, details. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is our output, right? Okay, now we will use coalesce function to return the data. Okay, it will avoid nulls and give the first value. First, if you give a numeric value, it will return the numeric value only. If you want to give any different data types like numeric and character, it will won't return. Okay, it will show you error. Okay, if you want to use coalesce function, you will give only same data type, right? Okay. Okay, understood. Now I will show you in informatica. Okay, how it will do. Okay, let's I will on my services, informatica, refresh. Oh, okay, refresh all this. Now let's open informatica Power Center Designer. How you will handle nulls in the informatica Power Center. Okay, now connect to our Power Center, informatica Power Center Designer. Okay, now open. Now let's see, clear all. Okay, I will close this. Actually, I will open again. I have some problem, so that's why I close it. Now let's see. Connect. Admin. Now open. Okay. Now create one, I think. Create. Okay. Let's go. Sample. Okay. Now go to source analyzer, go to sources and import from the database. Okay. Admin. Okay, now what is our table name? Sample 100, right? Here, open this one. Okay, now target. Actually, in target, I didn't have the table. Okay, select. sample under sample. Sample. Okay, I don't have this table in get database. No. Okay, I will copy this source sample 100. Okay, I will rename this one as UGT sample TGT underscore sample 100. Now go to columns. Actually, uh, in my source, we have ID, name, location, and state. 4 columns, right? But in output, we have only ID and details. So 2 columns only. Okay, for that purpose, we need to uh, remove these columns. Okay. 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 So I will change this name as details. Okay. Here, not null means this column won't accept nulls. Okay. So I will click this option and apply. Okay. And before, okay, double click on source sample table. Okay. Table, and in this go to columns. Here you need to check this option because in informatica simply we will do this mapping. Okay, so these columns won't accept not null. Okay, so that's why we enable these not null checkboxes. Okay, here it filter the null values. Okay, now let's drag this source. Okay, before going to this, go to targets and generate and execute. In this, we need to generate the table, generate and execute the table in target schema. Okay, generate and execute. Okay, executed. Close this one and save the table. Okay, now let's see. Here, I will drag the target. Okay, what is our target? TGT. Go to TGT. Yeah, TGT sample 100, right? Get that here. Now, we need one expression transformation. Okay. Now, let's drag all ports from the source qualifier to the expression transformation. Okay. Here, Double click on expression transformation and click on ports. Here you need to create another field name like details. Okay, this is also and string, and I will give the size is 100. Now here you will put this details port as a output port. Okay, now let's see. Go to ports, add name. We need to concat these three columns. Okay, okay, double click on this. Okay, validate it. It is very simple, right? Okay, now click on OK, apply. Okay, now we need only 2 ports. So send this ID port to target and send this detail port to the target. Okay, let's save this mapping. Mapping is valid. Now generate workflow. Next and finish. Go to workflow manager. In this workflow manager, we disconnect and connect our folder. Connect or open our folder. Now, what is our mapping name? What is our mapping name? Sample interview, right? Just open this. Give the connections. Double click on the session and give the connections. Okay, our source is source schema, right? Now, target is AGT. Okay. Now, here we need to check the truncate target table option. If the table is already existed, it will truncate it and load the data. Now, apply. Okay. Save this. Okay. Now, right click and start workflow. Succeeded, right? Just check the records. Yeah, I have 3 records in my source. Okay, those 3 records are loaded to the target. Now let's see our output is correct or not. Okay, what is our table name? TGT sample 100. Let's check in our target schema. TGT underscore sample 100. Okay. Yes, our output is this, right? This is our output. Okay. Now we will do like this in informatica. We will handle these nulls in both SQL Server and also in informatica. In informatica, we need to check this not null options in source. Okay, not here. In source analyzer, we have to enable these not null options. Okay. and we need expression, right? In this expression, we need to write the condition. Okay, we need to take another port and we add these three ports. Sorry, concatenate these three ports. Okay, to that newly created port. Okay, now like that we need to do in the informatica. Okay, in SQL we need to write like this. Okay, select ID, coalesce, name, location, state. Whatever the nulls are in these columns, the coalesce will avoid those nulls, and whatever the data those columns having, the first data will be fetch. Okay, the coalesce function will fetch the each and every column, whatever the data available in each and every column, it will fetch. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share my and subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends. Thank you all.